Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. A renewed call for an end to violence against women following brawl at Dancing Rebel's birthday celebration. The incident, which has sparked public outrage, coincides with the international campaign 16 Days of Action Against Domestic Violence, which is dedicated to raising awareness, advocating for change, and taking collective action to end domestic violence and gender-based abuse. In an interview with E-Prime, Professor Opal Palmer, gender advocate, condemned the actions of the men.
I say this kind of stuff all the time. Men beating on each other, men beating women without any kind of consciousness or humanity. It is appalling. I am appalled, and I'm also saddened because what it says is that we're in so much pain and we're so mindless of each other that we hit out at the first opportunity.
In a video posted to YouTube, an emotional Moya shared that she was unable to come to terms with the Saturday morning's incident. This has led Professor Adisa to raise this question.
What has bred this misogyny, this hatred, this disdain for women in our society? Why aren't people defending women and children? What has happened to us?
Adding to the conversation, clinical psychologist Deborah Smith says the circulation of the clip online can induce stress to the victims.
Watching what has happened can re-traumatize them, which may lead to the development of all sorts of mental health issues. So it's like they've been traumatized twice.
But how do we stem this type of violent behavior?
I advocate that from grade 1, even probably before, we need to start teach conflict resolution. It must be stopped, and it must be a collective of the various institutions, the government, the church, the health sector, all have to work in concert. It's a disease to stem this disease.
Over the weekend, what was expected to be a celebratory moment for Rebel ended in chaos after men pounced on TikToker TJ Thug Life and his girlfriend Moya. The police high command has since launched an internal investigation following reports that an off-duty officer is allegedly involved in the assault. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.